Yeah, my...
We still got like 15 points that game.
I know, that was a good game. Hiccups, by the way. Yeah, that was a good game. Oh my god, not the hiccups. He is just laying down. You don't see it, right? Oh my god, where are you? He's right there. Just behind me. Hello, Kenschler. I mean, good night, Kenschler. Stupid hiccups. Thank you, Salmon. Stupid freaking hiccups! Holding my breath. Trying to hold my breath. I can't. I need to try to swallow the hiccup. I think that helps too. Oh my god, come on, just stop, hiccup. Stop. I'm so sorry. Stupid hiccups. I'm drinking water, what do you mean?
One team. I can't land there.
Okay.
I'm coming to you.
Okay, I have some shotguns here. I found the treasure map.
Nice.
I have a shotgun and an SMG for you if you want, and then we can go for a treasure map.
There's a shotgun here.
Okay. Guys, I'm holding my breath.
Do you see these guys?
Not now. They're here. Or maybe not. I don't know. Oh, wait, someone's going there. Treasure is way closer.
They're
closer than I
235.
thought. Okay.
Yep, those guys are 235.
Come, come. What am I doing?
They saw me. They're pushing south.
Okay, 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 come here for a gun. For a gun. I see them.
We're surrounded.
Are you counting my hiccups? Guys, it might be one of those hiccups when I hiccup for an hour. Sometimes it is like that. Or maybe that was the last one. No. Nope.
Why are they fighting?
They're greedy.
There's like 3 teams here.
We can launch ourselves with this one. Come, 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 come. Dude, they all were pushing us. What?
No, they're fighting each other now.
Okay.
But I have no shield.
Same. I'm gonna check this place. There's a campfire.
There's a medkit here.
Oh, I have a chug. I forgot about that. There's a slurp. Come here. Someone is sniping me. What? That's ridiculous! Yo, he's on the mountain 30.
How do I get up?
With a flying thing! With Steve! He's pushing!
Yeah, he's pushing.
Dude, what the hell? I built on myself. He's gonna try to end me. Oh, he thought I'm there. I'm safe for a little bit.
There's 2 though. Wow, the glider cooked me.
Yeah, behind. Yeah.
I can't move.
Ah!
I couldn't move.
I know, it's glitching so much today. Body, just let me be. Just stop. Stop doing those hiccups. Just stop. Come on. I need to eat
Have this skin?
sugar. Oh, yeah, wait. I think. Okay. Okay. We need sugar, and that's how we're gonna control it. Please, no hiccups. My stomach hurts from hiccups. I'm so sorry. No, I'm holding my breath continuously and it's not stopping it. No. You'll see, the sugar will help me. You'll see.